Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Newiballdesigningdeveloper. Designing Developer. Today I will show you how to build one contact section in Java, and I hope you will be also enjoying this video like enjoying all the previous videos of Java and all the previous courses of Java which I have just uploaded and the projects also. So if you are just new here and watching the video for the first time, and if you are learning more than anything from that, so please hit a like to this video. If you know on the channel, so also subscribe on my channel and also share this video with your friends so they can also learn this programming tips and tricks and become a full stack developer of languages which I am doing my channel. So you can also check my previous courses, but if you are watching intermediate video and you are a beginner, so first of all check beginner course, then move to intermediate because that will be really helpful for you. Then when you will be moving in intermediate, it will be not too much difficult for you to cover up intermediate. So my opinion is to go and check beginners tutorial, or you can say project, then move to this intermediate tutorial. After on in future I will be also uploading a tutorial of Java which will be helpful for beginners, and in that I tell all the beginners to end, and I hope you will be enjoying that all the things which I will be uploading. You can check my previous courses of React, JavaScript, HTML, CSS and Python which I have uploaded. Related to Python I have uploaded data sciences and machine learning courses also which are really helpful for beginners if they want to learn and become full stack developer of that. You can check my React courses also which we are just having. In that courses I just cover up and make some of the clones and websites which are really helpful for beginner if they want to learn. So that were the things which are really important to do, and that were just make you professional, and that are the life and that are the, like you can say, things which are really important in your future. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building one context section in Java. But before starting the project and before starting the context section, I want to show you how it is looking and how we will be just building at the end. So if I open my Google Chrome here, you can see that there it is, our Google context section. So this is, you can say, a front page of that, not whole of the context section. We have also made this context section in Django Python, if you know. So we are just covering up same project with the same name and in different language, so you can understand and it will be clear your doubts like how to build that. Like we have built in the Django in Python, we have to use some of the things like related to that to make this in Java. So this is some of the helpful thing for you also and for me. So you can see we are just getting some of the sidebar things, like previously we are getting like sidebar menu, then we are getting create context section. Here we are just getting the sidebar menu, you can see that. Then if I just move at the top, you can see the navbar thing in which we are just getting one pixel background box shadow, you can see here we are getting, and when I'm hovering on the buttons also we are just getting the box shadow, you can see. And then we are getting the burger menu and context section logo. Then we are getting the search box, here you can search any of the context which you have just created. I have not created any of the context, so nothing will appear if I just search on. Then you will be getting your helps menu also, you can take help from here if you don't know about contact. Then you can just also having settings, when you like you can see what are settings, and you can do your own settings also if you want to change. You can check your Google apps, and you can check your like account from which you have signed in it with your Google account. So just these are some of the things there. So if I just open my Google, or you can say VS Code, in which I will be just doing my all the work. So here I will be simply opening my VS Code in which I will be writing my codes, all of them. So here I'll be opening VS Code, and it will be directly open and take it to you that, like that. So you can install that from Google Chrome. It is not really difficult thing to install this text editor. Just you have to write its name VS Code, then the first link will be appearing to install there. Now we'll be taking a new file like we have taken. Now I'll be saving the file. So if you have already saved, so just press save to save the file. But if you have not saved, so press save it. But I'll be pressing save because I have already not saved the file here. So press save here and it will be taken to this menu. Here you have to just write any of the name of your file. Just remember that you have to write .js after it, so you can just save your file in Java and you can work with that. So here I'll be writing download.js. Okay, so your file will be saving in Java, and just I'll be saving that in local disk app. If I show you, press save. So when you've done with that, just I'll be now zooming in that here. So you have just zoom in now. Just you have to do some of the things like move here and just make a div tag here. Okay, so I'll be zoom in again so you can just see it clearly. Now when you've written that, so just write here div class name, and just you can give any of your class name here. Just write same of, like you can say, the class, or you can say this tag here. So here I'll be making the curly bracket. In this curly bracket I will be writing terminal.list.help. Here I will be now closing this tag from here. Just I'll be saving this file. Then I will be doing one thing. I will be just moving down here, and but before doing that I'll be erasing that things, but I will be copying that, you can say. So just copy this thing from here, then you have to erase that and move down by this and press this, you can say backspace. Now when you've done that, here you have to write some of the signal, then you have to write here like bird equals to, then just you have to write a thing which should be like terminal, and just close this. But here you have to make and paste the same thing which you have copied from top. So you can see I have pasted this. Now here I will be just moving down, then I will be writing a tag which should be like range error, and here then I will be just writing a tag which should be like help. Then I will be closing this, and now I will be making this curly bracket here in writing that here range, and here I will be writing range dot error, then I will be writing dot help. So here you have to do one thing, when you are writing any of the tag here, just you have to write main three things here which you are writing at the starting of the tag here, and the end thing also. But when you are writing range and making the tag of that, automatically it will be coming the close tag of that also. So here I will be doing same thing, like I will be just moving down here, and here I will be just writing a tag now which should be like animation right here, then right here effect. And now when you done with that all things, here I will be just making this tag here, and I will be just writing a tag which will be like run. Close this and make this curly bracket in which I will be writing animation dot event, and here we are writing effect because effect is written here, then write dot run. Here when you've done that, so we have this by mistake create one file. So here I'll be writing done and closing this tag. Just save this file again. You can press Ctrl S also, it is a shortcut key. Here you have to just simply copy this here. So copy this thing from here and paste it, because we want that 6 times this thing which we are just writing at the top. Here I will be writing analyzer. So simply write here analyzer, then move forward and write editor here. Here when you done that, just you have to write a tag which will be like outline. Close this tag here and make this curly bracket in which I will be writing analyzes here, analyzer you can say dot mode dot outline. Here I will be closing this tag now, then I will be saving this file from here and moving forward, just I will be moving down here. Then I will be writing a tag which should be like timeline document equals to, here you have to change that to like run, or you can say view I will be writing. Close this tag here and make this curly bracket in which I will be writing timeline dot, here I will be changing that to file dot, and here write edit. Just you have to close this, and then here we will be doing some of the things like I will be writing editor here because editor is written, and here I will be simply changing that to document dot view because we have written here this thing. Now when you've done with that all things, just you have to save this file again, and it is done. And just you have to copy these three things, you can say these two things, because top of the thing which we have already done, then I'll be pasting this. So now it is done. Save this again, and if I just show you in the Google Chrome, so a project should be just ready here. It is not the big deal to just write these codes, just you can copy that. But if you are copying, the main thing is to understand these codes, what these codes are doing and what they are making. So if I just show you in the Google Chrome here, you can see our project is just ready. You can say contact section in Java which we have just made. So here we are getting the same things at the demo. We are getting the sidebar, the button in which we are getting the background box shadow with the help of CSS, or you can say with the help of Java codes. And then we are just also getting this Google contact section here, you can see that, or you can say logo. Here we are getting contact section, then burger menu here. Here we are getting the search box from where you can search your contacts which you are saving in that. Here the help menu, then the settings you can manage with your own self. Then you will be getting Google Apps also, you can see what Google Apps people are using and you are using. Then you can just see what Google account you have signed in with to just log in this contact section. So I hope you understand how to build one contact section in Java, and I hope you understand this video, enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a thumbs up, means likes to this video, and also just subscribe to my channel if you are new here, because when you subscribe it motivates me to make more enough things like that and more videos for you. And I am also doing hard work for you also, and learning more than enough languages, so I can teach you how to just become full stack developer of all languages which we are just getting in the market. So I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy my previous videos also. So just you have to practice it all things, because that all things will be just really helpful for you in your future life and in your professional life. So I'll be meeting you in next project. So for today, goodbye.